Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. It's Tom here from Crypto Life Inc. and Team Generous. So today I'm going to give you guys an update on the EOS toolkit. So now we've got 3 new languages enabled. So we've got Chinese, Korean and Vietnamese. So we're really going out and bridging the gap between the Asian communities in the EOS ecosystem. So we'll teach you guys how to change the languages for the EOS toolkit in this video now. Alrighty guys, so this is a quick video to let you guys know that the EOS toolkit is now available in other languages. We're catering to the Asian community, so we have them in Korean, which is what you're seeing now. We have it in Chinese, in Japanese and Vietnamese. So what you need to do, if you just go into your browser, just go into your settings here and you open that part up and then you just choose the language. So you can add it in if it's not already in there. I'm just going to push Chinese to the top so you can have a look to see what the difference is. So that's all you need to do, and then just do a quick refresh of the toolkit. So the tab that it's open in, and it should turn into Chinese because we have that as the setting. So here you go. So now it's all in Chinese. There's still a few kinks that we need to iron out, and there's a few words that obviously just don't translate from English into other languages, such as pore swap just doesn't exist. But we're doing the best we can, and at least we've got all these other functions here. So some of the other languages are still in the process of changing over, but for now most of the Asian languages will be working. So do give that a go, guys. If you are coming at us from any of the Asian communities, now you can just read it in your native language. So once again, thanks for tuning in, guys, and hope you have a great day. Remember to subscribe for more updates, and we'll catch you in the next one.